Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin with one standard sticky note and a firm surface. Fold the note lengthwise so the sticky strip is on the trailing edge. This creates a rigid spine that stabilizes flight. Once folded, open it and make sharp creases with your thumbnail so layers collapse predictably. Make sure to align corners exactly. Small misalignments cause wobble. Now fold each long edge into the center crease to form a tight, tapered body. That first shaping determines balance and range. Continue by forming the nose and flight surfaces. Fold the top corner down to form a sharp, aerodynamic point. This reduces drag and concentrates mass forward. Once done, fold two small symmetrical wings by folding each side down at roughly 1/2 inch. These act like stabilizers and provide lift. Make sure to reinforce the creases where the wing meets the body, because these joints control angle of attack. If you want a straighter glide, slightly dihedral the wings. Finish by pinching the nose tightly and giving the dart a light practice throw from chest height to observe flight. If it veers, trim a wingtip by 1-2 mm or add a tiny tab at the trailing edge to correct yaw. This adjusts roll and balance. If it stalls or tumbles, shift the center of mass slightly forward by folding a small tab at the nose. If problems persist, recheck symmetry. Uneven folds are the most common culprit, so realign and recrease carefully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.